is our food. So this one is a rich bro. How much? 1,000. Okay, this one. Alright, so this I order two. This one. Ayan, may mga watch. Ganyan. Samahan nito. So, gusto siya. How much? 1,600 yen. Hey, so welcome back to our channel. So we're back here in Tokyo Station. So this is our first stop when we landed here in Tokyo. So we're here to find the famous ramen street inside the station. So plano namin yun nung first day namin dito, but we weren't able to do that. So we will vlog about it and we will tell you more about it kung saan maganda kumain ng ramen dito sa Tokyo Station. Let's go! So this is the Tokyo Station at night. Maganda rin siya puntahan pala sa gabi kasi lit na yung ilaw dito sa may labas. So pasok tayo dito. Yeah, that's a hotel. Yung mga, I think yung second and third floor hotel, and then first floor and the ground floor na marami is the subway station, Shinkansen station, and a lot of stations here in Japan. So we're gonna enter, I think this is the north entrance, and then we'll try to find yung Tokyo Ramen Street here. Alright, so tara, samahan nyo kami. So ito na yung Marunouchi North entrance. So papasok tayo dito. Papasok doon sa para hanapin yung ramen street. So guys, kung tinignan nyo to, na-vlog ko na rin to pero this is the old structure or the original structure here in Tokyo Station. Diba? Astig. Ang ganda diba? So kita tayo, pasok na tayo dito. Passage to USO side. Hanap tayong map. Ayun, there's a map. So actually hindi talaga namin alam kung nasaan yun. So we will just navigate it through. Ang sabi, nasa First Avenue raw. So let's try to find where is First Avenue. So hanap na lang tayong information. Remember guys, when you're in Japan, you should always be on your left. Diba? Be on your left palagi. Diba? In the Philippines or in other Western countries, laging nasa right side kung maglalakad or nag-drive. Dito sa Japan, laging nasa left ka dapat. Kasi baligtad dito yung yung way nila. Kaya, ayun. So dito sa may North Passage, maraming mga coin lockers dito. So you can use that if you're going to tour the city and then wala kayong hotel. So you can use this. Hanap lang tayong information, tapos let's ask kung nasaan ang Tokyo Ramen Street. So I think guys, ito na, yung First Avenue. Hanapin nyo lang tong First Avenue, Tokyo Station. Ayun feeling ko ito na Ramen Street, diba? Nabasa ko yun. Tara ba tayo? Ayan na So I think ito na nga yun. Meron din dito parang anime street parang mga Sanrio, ganyan. So let's check out. So let's see. So guys, pag nagpunta kayo ng basement, ang dami pa rin pala mga shops dito. Ang daming mga anime shops and souvenir shops dito. So ito gusto mo pumunta tayo doon? Dito tayo sa kabilang side. Mukhang mas ito yung yan. Hoy, may Ghibli. Ghibli ba yan? Yan GBL. Ghibli ba? Ayun nga, Ghibli nga. Ay, baka nga. Ayan same shop nga. No? Ayan Ha?
Ito lang tapos ba tayo pag
sige. So, diretsohin natin to. Grabe. Mawala ka talaga pala pag nasa ano ka, nasa Tokyo Station ka, guys. Kayo pala. Close na ba?
Hindi po. Ay,
Ah.
admission during all.
Ay wow, may restriction. So may number of people lang inside. Sa, di ba na nakabili tayo ng mga Ghibli ano natin. So, oh, di ba? Parang mini kay Habara din to ah. Ayun, sino ba yan? Pop-up shop. TV Tokyo. Oh, yun, Naruto. Kay Era yan. Yun, Spy Family. So, matutuwa rin kayo dito. Ayun o, ito, Hello Kitty. Ayun o, si ano. Ay, ba hinahanap mo? Sino yan? Si Melody. How much?
Mas malaki, di ba? Sa
1,800?
alin?
Ito, yan o. This one. Oh. Wallet ba yan? Wallet?
1-3.
Magkano?
1-3.
1 to 8? Oh.
Pwede na, no?
So, Pokemon. How much? 1,600 yen. Pokemon stuffed toy. Sino? Ano sino yan? Oh, ang dami palang mabibili dito eh. Yung mga Pokemon fan kayo. Guys, ang tawag pala dito ay Character Street. So dito, ang daming mga ano, yan o, parang ano din, parang mini Akihabara. Ayan, may mga watch, ganyan. So marami ito, sunod-sunod na shops na nandito sa Character Street. Ayan, oh, itong shop na to, ayan, naka-Japanese. Hindi natin na parang ano yung English name niya. Ayan o, naka-Japanese. Ito mga halo-halo na. Pero usually, mga ano, stand-alone na iba't ibang character. Ayan o, ayan, si Melody. How much is that?
May melody.
May Melody pala. How much?
420.
420. Okay. So, 1,000 pesos.
Ito naman, 2-2.
2,2.
2-2.
Bili mo na yung kaya eh. Oo nga, matapos na yan.
Magamit ba natin?
Masen. Yes, yes. So guys, ayan, meron naman ditong guide. So, ito yung map. Meron lang parang 8 restaurant. Tapos, pili na lang kayo dyan kung ano mga gusto nyo, mga ramen na kainin nyo. Parang lahat yan mahaba pila. So, pipili lang kayo. So, ang nasa puso namin ay, 8, no? So, let's fight. Alright, sige, let's fight. Let's buy the ticket. So, ito yung napili natin ramen na bibila natin. So, you have to buy here first before you line up. Ito lang maliit siguro. So, okay, money first. Alright, so money first. And then, this one is big and small.
Oh, yes, this is small size. This is all small size.
Okay, this one. Alright, so this, no, I order 2. This one?
This okay?
Yeah. And then one more. Okay, so this is my...
Need to do this.
Okay.
Magkano lahat?
Ay, ayan. In-order ko yung maliit lang. May maliit pala. 950 sa... Ito, 950 sa 900.
90.
So, we will eat here later. But nakapila pa sila na. Kaya, mag-ikot muna tayo. So, ito yung iba pang shops. So, medyo marami-rami. So, may guide naman dito. So, pwede nyo tingnan yun pagkakakain kayo. And tas usually, you have to order first dun sa vending machine before you line up. So yan, so usually mga tourist yung mga ano, or mga traveler yung bumibili dito. Because syempre nga, Tokyo Station to, kaya usually mga travelers yung nandito. This is the waiting line for this shop. Marami pa dito eh, oh. Oh, ayan oh. Oh, ito pa oh. Ito mukhang masarap din to oh. Kokotsu ramen. Mahaba pila nito oh. So lahat mahaba pila. Walang maikli. Oh, yun na yun. Tara na, balik na tayo. Ito na, haba ng pila. Hanggang labas oh. Look at that. So let's go back to our line. Baka pinapasok na sila na. Mabilis naman yung interval ng mga kumakain. So ito pa oh. Mukhang masasarap naman lahat. Kaso gusto natin yung rich yung broth, di ba? Kaya yung pinili natin kanina. So ayun, malapit na kami. Parang next na yata kami, oh. So tara, tara tayo doon. So guys, ito na kami sa loob ng restaurant. So maliit lang yung restaurant, kaya mahaba yung pila. Parang around nasa ano lang kami, 20s yun dito sa loob ng restaurant. So we're just waiting for our food to be served and then kakain na tayo. So pakita ko sa inyo and then I'll also let you know kung masarap. Okay, this is our food. So this mine is a rich broth and Lana is yung regular broth lang. So let's eat this ramen. So let's now try. Let's now try first the broth. Seafood. It's a unique broth for a ramen. Usually, ramen broth are usually pork, right? But this one's seafood, so it's kind of unique for me. So let's try the noodles. The broth is really thick. Yeah, good enough.
Baba mo yung baka mahulog lang.
By the way, they have large one and small. So this is small. I think this one is just enough. Unless you have a big appetite. So guys, that's it for this vlog. That's it for the Tokyo Station tour, and then the character street and the ramen street tour, and our ramen dinner for tonight. So we're now going back to our hotel, and we're gonna end this vlog here, and we'll see you again tomorrow in our next trip. Thank you guys. Bye.